we are going to talk about how to use breathing to relax your mind and improve your mental health. This is Dr. Ortain again, coming to you from Dayspring Life and Health channel. Today we are going to continue on our series on mental health. If you remember, we have had two discussions. First video was about improving your mental health, or how to improve your mental health by staying connected. The second one is how to improve your mental health by exercise. Don't forget to check out those videos if you haven't seen them already. And today we are going to focus on another technique, which is how to use breathing or breathing exercises to relax. If you're enjoying our videos, I plead with you to please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and then also comment if you have any questions or any contributions to the content. And how to use breathing to relax your mind and improve your mental health. So the way you do it is if you have the ability to schedule maybe 10 minutes or 20 minutes a day in your daily life to sort of practice breathing exercises, that would be the way to go. But if you don't, even 2-3 minutes of breathing is good. Those of you who use Apple Watches, once in a while your watch will ask you to do some breathing. All those things help. So it doesn't matter how often, the more you do the better, but nothing at all is not what we're looking for. We're looking for at least something with your breathing. So breathing exercise is basically what you want to do. There are different kinds of breathing exercises. We're not going to go into the details right now, but how you do this, I mean, the simple way to do it is to take long, slow, very long, very slow and deep breaths, so that it will actually get you more oxygen. It will relax you as you do that. Both your muscles and your mind are going to be relaxed as you do take those long, slow, deep breaths. And you're going to be basically the kind of breathing it engages your abdomen for you as you breathe. And you could do that for 5 minutes of your day, or 10 minutes daily, or if 20 minutes, however long you could do it. That is noted to be something that helps with your mental health, because it's deep, slow, long breathing will help relax your mind. And you could do that early in the mornings, or you could do it any time in the day that you feel more relaxed and not pressure to do anything else. Just take your time and focus just on the breathing as you do that. Other kinds of breathing exercises we're not going to go into, but if you want to look that up and learn more about breathing exercises, that you can look up and basically practice, and that will help your mental well-being, your mental health. Especially if you're already diagnosed with any mental health disease, you can stick to one of these exercises and make it part of your daily routine to help you improve your mental health. And if you are not diagnosed with any, it will help you improve on your general well-being and your mental health in any case. We're going to practice one breathing exercise. It's very easy to do. I may interject in between to say what I'm doing so that you could understand why I'm doing it. So in the beginning, you sit in a comfortable seating position with your back straight, and make sure you are not in a noisy area. What I would do is, if you have an earphone, you put it on just to cut out every noise in the background. And with your back straight, you basically let your arms loose, and then you begin. So what you do is, you first close your eyes and focus on your own rhythm, or your own breathing rhythm. And then you take a long but slow deep breath in through your nose. So I'm going to try that. Hold it in for as long as you can, and then breathe out or exhale through your mouth slowly. I'm going to do it one more time. Long, deep breath inside through your nose. Hold it in and exhale through your mouth. I'm going to do it again without saying anything so you can watch me. So you do this as many times as you can, and you would realize that if you were very anxious or if you were stressed before coming in, your breathing would be fast. But as you take in long, slow, deep breaths, your breathing becomes normalized. And when you are done, you slowly transition into your regular breaths. So don't just pick up yourself and walk away. But slowly open your eyes and take in with you the environment. Relax and then start breathing normally before you stand up and move. You could also feel lightheaded after some time, but the more you do it, your body get used to it and it would stop. So basically, this is just a small practice breathing for you. All right, so let's do one quick breathing exercise where I'm sitting. So we take a slow, long, deep breath. And I start in 3, 2, 1, go. I'll take one more breath. Slow again, slow, long, deep breath. Take one more. You could see my rib cage opening to fill with the air, as much air that I can as possible. And when I breathe out also slowly, you could see that it's closing, and I sort of calm down a little bit in my chair. And you could do this a few times a day, just in a seated, more comfortable position, and do this. This is known to help with stress. So if your mental health situation is more like the stress, if you are easily stressed, then this is one way to counter that by taking slow, long, deep breaths scheduled in the day. That is it. The only caveat to this is that if you are a patient with heart failure, then it may not be something that you could do. And then people who are also in severe or more advanced respiratory disease, if you are with emphysema or COPD and it is more advanced, you may find it more difficult to do this. So this may not be recommended for you. But if you have asthma or maybe a mild respiratory disease, this will actually help improve and increase your lung capacity, because the more you open up to take breaths, your lungs become adapted to that, and it will help your breathing to be better. So it will be a win-win situation. You win on the part of reducing your stress, and it will also help you by increasing your lung capacity or your lung volume. So that is it for the breathing exercise to help you relax and help you on your way to better mental health.
have to say anything. I don't want you to think too much. Let our bodies soak in the sun. Yeah, there's